Ito na si number 25 to Air Abando. Air Abando, 2 points. 14-15. Salonga. Up, there's a foul. Jersey number 24. Second personal foul. 2 shots, meron sa mga boss. Yusef, Water. First try is good. Second try. Wale. Same ball tayo. 14 seconds shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. Felipe. Jump shot, Wale. Rebound by number 0. Ito na, number 0. Friends. Nice pass to number 25. 2 points. Parehas na parehas. Pass break to Amando. Number 25. Favorite shot. Wale. To number 1. Wala. Rebound by number 25. 10 seconds. 2 points. 2 seconds. Passer na lang. That's the end of our first quarter score. 18-16 in favor of team MTP. Okay, TL, good things. Dito muna sa kay Commissioner. TL. TL for coach. Kay Joshua muna, boss.
Ganyan ba ako?
Okay, pasok na yung mga hindi pa naglaro. Second quarter, pasok! Second quarter, pasok na mga boss.
Hol! Gusto nga team eh? Ang pangalan, ano sino? Lagay! Tapel!
Second quarter, yung hindi pa nakalaro, pasok. Lahat ng hindi nakalaro. Yan, sige, pasok. Let's go! LMA, basketball tayo, LMA. So, number 69, Kubunso. Foul, jersey number 14. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 69, Saldua, 2 points. All 18. Yari, 2 points.
Intermediate season 2, finals.
Diri lang live at bang ani?
Asa man sila ngayon? Asa man sila magkuan?
Diri sila from team. Dito dia.
Adre?
Oh, dito dia. Tapos picture diri para kita sa trophy.
Up, a traveling violation. Sabi ni Ref Jerry. Ito na ang point guard natin. Number 14, Malyari. To number 14, to Deo Campo. Medyo malakas yan, sabi ni Sir Deo Campo.
Right. Hello.
Wala ka sounds? Oh, look at the sounds. Walang
Pwede man.
final count.
Final count. Sige, ako na lang
Number 0.
Frankie Reyes.
Timeout tayo. Ito na si Salonga.
Wearing jersey number 17,
14 to shoot.
Calvin Miral.
Salonga, Walay, rebound by Oxon.
Wearing jersey number 23, Ronnie Estrilo.
Walay, rebound by number 6.
Sharpshooter yan.
Grabe ang galaw doon, hindi lang pumasok.
Wearing jersey number 30, Michael Nonan. Shooter din yan. Wearing jersey number 20, Jay Cristobal. Wearing jersey number 2, Rafael Asieteco. Wearing jersey
Hindi po sinabi,
Wearing
madilim.
jersey number 9, PM.
Hindi naman gano'n kadilim. Doon sa kabila. Pumangit yung ano.
Wearing jersey
Ba't di ba sinabi na ganyan ko lang?
Anong Rivera?
Pangit yan.
Palakpakan naman kayo.
Madilim lang
Supportahan nyo yung teammates nyo, mga sir. Wearing jersey number 10, TJ Gumpio.
Sa side na to. Kapag nagsabi ka kasi.
And the man behind the team, Sergeant Peppers. Wearing jersey number 14, Josel Dingsman. Alright,
Picture doon, picture.
Ito na si Mr. Salonga.
Yung picture isa doon.
alright, ang susunod natin tatawagin ang kanilang katunggali. Ang makakalaban ngayon ng Sergeant Clippers dito sa Millions Edition ng CBL Tiki Squad.
Rebound by Manyari. Roxor.
Alright, wearing jersey number 8, Paul Bautista.
First personal foul.
Sinip ko na naman. Sabi ko sa'yo, dyan sa manual. Dyan lang po, Jupiter.
First one is good.
Sama ball, sapon. O diba? Malo kasi doon. Hindi kasi yung ano, dito lang kasi madilim kasi. Dapat sinabi mo na ano na pangit yung kulay.
Wearing jersey number 26, Jasper Gutierrez. Palakpakan niyo naman yung tropa niyo.
Yan, ganyan na talaga. Bakit nga ganun? Wala, hindi ko. Dapat manual eh. Manual lang dapat. Diba?
Wearing jersey number 71, Sade Arellano.
Defense by Saldua. That's number 0.
Wearing jersey number 17, the legend point guard,
Pass number 12.
Speedy
That's number 12.
Guzman.
Salonga number 2. First personal foul.
Dali, botak.
Wearing jersey number 28, Halang Picoy. Wearing jersey number 15, Boss L.
Number 12. Saldua. Steal by number 14. To Hoxton number 14. Mahahabol kaya. Nice move. Gutianoy. Offensive foul. Hoxton number 14. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Saldua. Gutian. Ito na si Manyari number 14.
Wearing jersey number 30, Takasaki.
Ito na si Gutso. Gutian.
Wearing jersey number 15,
14 seconds to shoot.
the wall, Nick Abaya.
Salonga. Score 33-26.
Wearing jersey number 11, Lapo.
14 seconds to shoot. Oxford.
Wearing jersey number 21, Lalik.
Number 0.
Wearing jersey number 27, the commissioner, Joshua Angelo.
Divide by number 12.
And the man behind the team, Picoy Squad, wearing jersey number 8, honor the coach.
Pinasa kay Reveille. Rush by Bunso.
Let's get it on!
Kaya. Out of bounds. Pakinabot ang bola, tumatakbo ang oras. Bigay sa referee. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. That's the end of our second quarter. Score 43-20 in favor of Team NMA. Okay, ilang kayo? Bossing, final bilang, ilang kayo?
Lahat ng players, pagkita tayo, konting briefing muna na ano.
Santo Col, sa gitna.
Bossing, ilang kayo, bossing? Pakibilang, yung tamang bilang na. So, 12, siyam. Anim, o plus 6.
O, Pogi, briefing mo na.
10, nasa ng 10 natin.
Buti.
Bilangan mo na mga Aspar. Siyam kayo. O, siyam.
Alagaan nyo yung sarili nyo, mga kalaban nyo kasi basketball lang tayo. At the end of the day, nagtatrabaho lang tayo sa Dubai. Wala naman siguro na sintero dito. Okay sir, so iwasan na natin yung mga hard contact na ikakainis. Is physical game kasi yung basketball, alam naman natin yan. So kung hindi na kaya, let go. Pero sir, base sportsmanship na lang tayo, no? Alright, so any
quarter, di mali na tayo. Pagdating ng may kulang, saka tayo magpili bawat team. Ngayon, kung sino pinakamaraming player, advantage sila may plus. Automatic, each player, 2 points. Yun lang.
Alright, that's it. Let's go! Walang plus na, wala ka! Bola! First five, both team. Pasok na.
Isa pa, sino pa?
Umangit. Yan, finals pa tayo.
O, 5, pasok, 5. O, dito, pili kayo ng 3, bossing. 3. O, pasok ka na, huwag ka magtago. Pasok.
The first five para sa Sergeant Paper. Jersey number 10, jersey number 24.
Pasok, dewa po. Yan.
Dalawang jersey number 24. Jersey number 32 and jersey number 02. Para sa Bicoy Squad. Ano first five nyo?
Lag, kayo ha.
O, Kings Favor tayo, alam mo na MVP.
Yan.
Walang sabyan. Diretso yan.
Sa Sergeant Paper, pasok na.
Go dyan.
First five.
Number 14
First five, Sergeant Paper, jersey number 17.
to number 18.
Jersey number 14, jersey number 26, and jersey number 71. And jersey number 2, Coach Gani. Good team, good job.
To number 0.
Yan, first
Number
quarter.
3, jersey number 32. And jersey number 14, Sergeant Paper.
Jersey number 68.
Ball possession, napunta.
Second personal foul, first team foul.
Sergeant Paper.
Diretso yan, walang sabyan. Sulit
Jersey
ang
number 32, sumubok ng 3, wala.
Number 12.
Offensive rebound.
Oy, alam na. Traveling violation.
Sergeant Paper, jersey number 32. Para sa jersey number 17, 71. Defense, jersey number
Osman,
17.
first 2 points.
With jersey number 17.
Number 14. Grabe naman yun. Si
Rapa.
JR.
Jersey number 2. Back to Rapa, naabitawan ng bola.
to jersey number 24. Steal by jersey number 17. Grabe ang bilis nito. Jersey number 17. Back-to-back 2 point. With jersey number 17.
Wala. Rebound by Drew. Ito na si Mr. Valencia.
Jersey number 24. A 0-2, second play.
To number
Jersey
14.
number 24. 14 shot lang.
Huli ka.
To Rafa. Nakain sa ilalim pero mayroong foul doon. Connect. Counted foul. Sorry.
Foul, jersey number 30.
Jersey number 26.
Second personal foul.
First personal foul. First team foul.
Time out.
25 squad.
Team
From the
LFA.
shot by Rafa. Jumpers
Time
ready.
remaining 8 minutes sa ating third quarter. Score
Wala.
39-33.
Rebound by jersey number 26. To jersey number 17. Jersey number 17. Side step. Pull up. Yes sir. Connected 2 point by jersey number 17. 6-2-6. Naka 6 points na yan si jersey number 17.
Walang sub, wala tayo sa
Jersey number 02, setting play. Pass to Rafa. Jersey number 10, pull up for 3. Lumabas. Kanina punta bola kay Coach Gani. Jersey number 71. Nabitawan ng bola. Pero meron tayong whistle. Who's foul?
Okay, 2 shots tayo by number 12.
Jersey number 71. First personal foul, second team foul.
First try, no good.
Jersey number 10. Jersey number 02. Jersey number 02. Punta sa gitna. Pass to jersey number 24. Yes sir. Connect for 2 point. For jersey number 24. Si Glory.
Dong!
24 dyan.
Second try, wala.
4-6. 2 point lead by Tikoy Squad. Jersey number 71. Pass to jersey number 17.
First personal foul, first.
Wala. Lumabas hindi. Kanina pa ang bola. So jersey number. Ay, stepping the line pala. Si jersey number
To Charles.
71.
To Yorme, 40 second shot lang. Still by
Jersey
number
number 10.
0.
Si jersey number 02 for 3. Wala, short.
Grabe naman.
Rebound by si Coach Yanni. Si jersey number 17.
39-35.
Grabe din. Pumatake agad. 8 points na agad si jersey number 17. 8-4.
Number 18.
4-point lead by Tikoy Squad.
Wala. Rebound by Leo Campo.
Jersey number 10.
Rebound by number 12. Ito na si
Kapitawan ng bola. Nice defense by jersey number 10. Steal by Tikoy Squad. Jersey number 71. Inalog pa ang ring. Pasok yan. Time out! Grabe doon. Ang ginawa ng time out of the game by Sergeant Faber.
Nakakahawa, sabi ni Bunso. 2 points. 37-39. Dalawa na lang.
Back to the ball game.
Monday, Papawis.
Back to the ball game.
Hop, out of bounds tayo. Last touch, Yorme. Hop, foul number 31. Third personal foul, third team foul. Score 39-37. Dalawa ang lamang ng MTV.
Kuya Yutot.
Wala si E. Number 0. Wale. Rebound by. Saglit lang. Sinos? Okay, time out! Team MTV Monday, Trovang Papawis.
Nag-change siya si Glory. Injury. Back to the ball game.
Yusef Water!
Reyes. Saras by jersey number 71. Still by Tikoy Squad. Nandito na si jersey number 71. Wala. Sayang yun. Libre na. Wala pa. Pero ball possession pa rin. Pero yung bola. Ball possession pa rin ng Tikoy Squad. Coach Gani. Napunta bola kay jersey number 17. Head to shoot.
Nice pass to Coach Danny.
Ganda naman ang pasa.
Jersey number
At bingit to the campo.
Coach Danny.
2 points by Mr. Drew.
Gandang pasa doon para nag-receive sa routine.
39.
Rafa.
Labang.
Setting play.
Ito na si number 14.
Tapa ngayon. There's a foul. Pushing foul. Scarlett. Jersey number 14. Blocking foul.
Pass to Deo.
14 shot clock. First personal foul. 13 foul by Bicol Squad.
Out of bounds.
Reyes. Matake sa gitna. Pinasa sa labas. 10 to shoot.
Ito na si Bunso. Pass break.
Rapa. There's a foul. Foul. Jersey number 2. Coach Danny.
39.
Warning for penalty. Ang Bicol Squad.
Point guard si Mr.
2 free throw by Mr. Rafa.
Signaling the play. Valencia pa rin ang itangan ng bola.
Unang free throw. Wala.
10 seconds to shoot.
Jumpers ready.
Yorme times. Nice defense.
Remaining time, 4 minutes, then 45 seconds for the first quarter. Wala pa rin. Sa kanya pa rin ang offensive rebound. Pull up, short.
Warning for penalty MTV.
Doon si jersey number 24, pass to Rapa. 10 to shoot. Hey, by jersey number 02.
Bunso to Drew. Nice pass to number
7-12, official score.
2 points by number 16.
4 minutes and 20 seconds. Jersey number 17.
Ang apat.
Side step, steal by
Ito na si Valencia.
jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 10. Jersey number
Nice
02.
pass to Sir JR. For 3,
Pass to
wala.
jersey number 10. Pull up for 3. Short. Nandun si jersey number 24. Umikot. Connect yan. Connect for 2 points by jersey number 24. Official score natin 9-12. Back to 3-point lead.
5 foul. Penalty time.
Logo.
Ewan ko saan.
Kalamangan.